Mix up boss. See the egg business here. Can tell the people them on the channel and a lie with the egg business in America, brother. BJ's me there. I shot you a picture to see what I go on. Quick and fast.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and make you get straight into this. Guys, I have something to share with you now. But let me share with you tonight. I say a lot of you guys that tell me happy Valentine's Day. I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. You understand? Anyway, guys, when you say the price of egg, put it in a comment how much egg in your state where there. What day I keep a show and one lady I say she have to buy egg for $4. So anybody come our yard from Jamaica, then if you compromise without them use the egg. Now, I wonder what she would have said now when she buy the egg them, because the egg them gone sky high, guys. When I say sky high, sky high. You know see that? $28. I'll do the white one. Put it in the comment how much egg which part in there. Always life in America now, for most of us all over. Jamaicans we live overseas. Cost of living, things gone up, just egg alone. Put it in a chat. Want to think life. Want to take how life a cheat you know in a foreign. It's more easier, it's more smooth. I love the transition, I love the movement, I love everything. We don't know administration, let me know. Anyway, I don't know Valentine's Day, so I'm not overdo it, but I'm going to something for watch. So, I don't know anything. Alright, so, okay, listen. Remember, guys, you don't have to call me if you send a story, you can leave voice message and I will heard it on the live. Okay? The lady who did call in and said she want her apartment from Florida, she get her apartment now, thanks to the channel. So the channel I make waves 87627732254. Alright, so the guy from Florida now, I hear from him that the guy where him want get him papers, but the girl I take away money out of her account. See, me get an update, but me cannot disclose it right now. Very sensitive, but give me by now and next week, me have some good news for you. Super good news. Anyway, I could listen to the brother here. We have a 2 cent on it. Guys, comment and like the video. I want to know what go on and which part of the day when I don't know. I could drive and listen.
Yes, dear man. I listen to your thing. Yeah. And like when you said it to me still, because I kind of keep track of what go on. And sometimes they're months and years apart from you, you know. But anyway, you know, my time this. Your brethren there, they look at youth. You're right, you know, because from early I see it, you know. That girl go through some things in her life, you know. She broken. And if I'm smart, right now I'm done married to her already, you know. So, if I mean like him still, you see that VAP thing there, especially now and that Trump. People at different time with them, you know. Trump now go by the rules, you know. So, and things not regular. Trump also want to get rid of all of it, you know. So, really, for a fact, I don't know if him want to go there, so. If I would rather him deal with her, if he get it out of the way. But him, if you understand, him have a lot of powers over her. Him just don't know it. She broken. And she now go let go so easy. You understand? And we hear them story all the time. And when me come here, I the same story there. Them same thing I made me learn how to maneuver myself through my situation and what I had to do. And still doing today. Mama still married to my wife. And I don't say I don't love my wife. I love my wife, but at the same time, I know say women, and this is not do that American woman or not, not just women and a whole. They will take advantage they can. And believe it or not, there are certain things that we know we're not gonna do as man. We are loyal to relationship, you know. Believe it or not, we might cheat, but we're loyal to relationship. I don't know if it might sound a weird, but when I say that to a woman, them don't understand. A man would out a road and do him thing, but him now just get up and left him wife for no reason at all. Real man, I should say. Real man. Because you have the few idiots out there. You know what I say? Him now just get up and left him thing. Him loyal to him relationship. A woman will go out there and sleep on her husband, and she do him thing there. When she get a good work, and it's like she start to wonder what she for do. Cause we out there and do it. We do it there and we see all the girl and Ray, and she tell us, man, my money not gonna open no say, Ray, and I said, no man, don't worry yourself, man. Guess what she do? She starts to the man this and the man that and the man all kind of things. So we already know where that I go. Cause she started to say, what you a do? And how things with you and your people and blah blah blah. And Ray. So you already know where she going. Cause I say it, for them art and them chest and them art down there, you beat it up properly, them start think all kind of thing. Trust me. You probably experience it yourself. No matter how you hear them talk and Ray, you make up your mind and you start dating. Yeah. But anyway, back to the youth and them broken child. Him have to just put the thing in front of her and make sure say, yo, you hear what? Obviously she care, because she say, yo, she want it. But I say, as I'm saying, she can't control herself. She's broken. She have a mental problem. Something she went through in her life, and probably if him know her properly, and let me tell you something, don't be surprised, if that him just stay with her, because me know Bridget go through this, and after a while, when the woman straighten out and him realize that the woman really, really check for him, but she does have issues, and them stay together, still together. Because they matter about baby mother yard. Maybe this woman here check for him some kind of way, but as I say, she broken, she have issues. But anyway, him need to just put it in front of her. Alright, him talk about going to the army. If him join the army, you know how much allowance he might get? He need to sit down and show her them thing here. Get this information, put it in front of her. Say, yo, I got $200-300 with me I get on Ray. We can't turn a bigger thing, my girl. We can't go up on army base all over the world. Ray. You have to show her the dream. You have to make sure know. Say, yo, you're holding us back, baby. You're holding us back. What you're doing right now, you're holding us back. We have to go through this and go through together. You understand? He have to use what him have. Use what him have, my youth. Because right now, if I should put in the first paperwork and get the work permit, you see, if you want to go through that route that we want, it would be easier if him have paperwork in the system already with her. You understand? But him just married to her right now. Then I start nothing. Yeah. And as him say, it's quicker if him go that way there. Because once it starts, it starts. You understand? So what him need to do is take, alright. You see when my people them there look at my thing. One at a time, the thing this sticker gets sticky away from me, That me I stand up in front of a man there robe, And when the liar me I deal with, I rain, and I ray up and nothing I go on. She goes so boom. I got about 3 different people, and them I tell her, say, yo, my case done. And I never lie there. When I tell lie, enough people them say what I know. The man goes so boom. I said, no man, I hear that thing them attack. Ray, me can deal with the fear. My youth. Like a snap of the finger, me go through the gate. But I've gotten to that point where I have money saved up on Ray. And I said, my wife said, yo, I go home. I just said, no, but, we can't go to Jamaica yet and Ray. And, so I said, you know what, fuck the system, man. I don't want that. Ray. Deep down inside, never really ready if I go down yet. But I go back, because my plan to go back on my yard, but I'm never ready at the time. But at the same time, I can't make she feel like say she have the power over me. At the same time, there, man, I have to make she feel like say at the end of the day, me. I mean, to be honest, at that time, I have money put on either year or dear, but me don't want to stack up more. You get me? But at the same time, I can't make she feel like say she had do something for me. I have to make she feel like say she had do something for herself because she remember she want me here too, you know, just as much as me would want to stay here. So your brother have to know that too. And him have to sit down and like I said, she's broken. I have to show her, calm her down, reason with her, because I think she probably have some kind of bipolar issue. And sometimes I've said them people that go through something in them life. He probably maybe if in frightened, it's just because trust me, enough man I'm gonna tell you about being on your show. One of the reasons I'm say with the voice thing too. Some of them will hear I call Damien. Them story. Trust me, been around. Put it this way, I've been around. See? And enough of them go through things in them life. And that is why you see them so desperate for men. Them still, them don't know what. And when them get the man too, and all of the story, the part them I tell you is totally true. Yes, sometimes the man fuck up because if you notice that youth still know, he might fuck up in a way where he still have a maybe mother. And even though he might say she don't want him to talk to him youth, or him tell you, you know, him still have the little thing for the baby mother same. So maybe she'll see them little thing there and keep her up on the edge. And already she never have a man like him before. So now she desperate, no want to leave him. So she said she want to leave, but she don't want to leave. I will tell her, said she probably have a bipolar issue going on with her right now. Maybe something going on in her mentally, as I said. So you see it too. I'm sure him see it, you know. Him see it. But I feel him check for her too, you know. Neatly, I think him have a check, him check for her too. Him check for her too. As I say, don't be surprised if 5 years from now, because I have brethren that say, oh, I'm going to left the girl. Let me get my shit gone. And you know, talk here and there, and 5, 6, 7 years after, you say, my youth, you know, so same lady still, him say, boy, I tell us the woman just come round and, yo, the woman treat him like a wife. I mean, like our wife should be. And him can't go past that. So it's the woman in the yard, he must say to himself, say, boy, he used to go back and forth to that one there too, you know, so him just say, yo, just stick with the evil, you know, I'm just stay with him there. Because that's the problem with that for the woman if they use them femininity on the man, you're surprised for so much and get out of the man. And some of them white, one of me I talk about that you there is a white man. When him say him got left her, by the time for him getting paperwork, the woman just use her style as a woman, as how a woman supposed to treat a man, upon the man. Although the man can't left. All the chatting can't left. Because he can't wait for go home go there around her. Because she treat him. Yeah. So, you know be surprised because I feel him I check for that one. I feel him check for her too. All the year matter about, boy, my papers I want. If you pay attention. Because him have powers over him, don't even know it. Him have a lot of powers over that this woman. Him have to just use it. Sit down, tell her, if I go to the army, baby, the benefits we're gonna get, this and that. We can travel the world, you know. We could be in Hawaii on the army base, you know. We could be in Italy on an army base. We could go to Germany, Europe, you know. That's so the man need for the talk. Nobody with a rare with that. Set up like deal with that like a man. Yeah. You'll be surprised how him get out there. I said, baby, if we go up on the road tomorrow, you know, then take me up, you know. All of this gone, you know. I don't know what happened to mommy, you know. Because she go lose the place, you know. You understand? Remember, you know, she not work, you know. And she depend on him. She depend on him. Him have to know of him. I mean, don't go and just throw that in her face, you know. But have to show her what she can lose at the same time and what she can gain with him having the papers. You have to find a way to bring that across to her. You understand? You need to be able to do that. Yeah. But I like I said, that to me are the best route. Cause him don't have it in their man already, you know. Bird, if I say a bird in the hand is better than a dozen in the bushes. You understand? So, as we say, that girl check for him, he can get more to her than what him think. Yeah, man. But I mean, yeah, I'm have to be careful how him there road. If I me like him, I go a road unless I work, me I go. Just go to work, come in, and then round the woman. You know, bring some flowers for her more time. Cause she emotionally something going on with her still. She emotionally something wrong with her, and she's scared of losing him. And that is why she sometimes get up and say, "Yo, be done," because she don't want to lose him. But at the same time, she need him. So that's what I'm doing. Before you left me, I left you. But then when I time for left, she can't left. Because she confused. Yeah, man. But he have to play the game the right way. Yeah, man. You know. And and that's a good thing when him say I'm going down because him get through him papers faster. You know, and then from there so him him can go and do a career or something in the army or something. You know, but knowing Trump him probably I think both going to be a different country and also I might end up in a war too, but you know, if we also go on whether that's time, like I said, that's another conversation. But him need to think that though. Yeah, him need to sit down and study her some more and program her. Yeah, cause she is a program. I have to just adjust and think there and deal with her the right way. And as I say, me not go surprised if one day we hear say 5 years from now, him and her are still there. You know, but she need help though. I think she need help otherwise. So like I said, she probably could have been a good girl too. We don't know, but I know if him. I put it this way: if him have the patience, and then again, you know, as a man too and a young youth, you take on the headache of trying to fix a woman, it's rough, you know. But it might lucky because sometimes it happen a way there where she find herself and straighten out herself and as we say, you know, that's when him probably I go say blood clot must say no something I gotta deal with that woman there. And he mean that him never stay with her. Trust me. Cause I genuinely think she check for him. But she have issues. She have issues. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, little more. I, I don't even know when I best time for call her during the day. I'm try to call her a couple times in the day, them, you know, but I'm a man, so I'm up till then the morning hours them still, and then go down in the afternoon. I closer to the afternoon, but yeah, man, yeah, just talk to the youth, man, and tell him. I'm not thinking if we go that no other way, but we'll go through she. Yeah, cause right now, as we said, Trump now go by the rules, you know. Right now, a peer court case him have right now with the president this and the president that. Him now go through Congress and do nothing. Him a broke all rules. All rules him a broke. You understand? That's why I tell people. That's why the lady with the passport thing. Them for years she travel on board passport. No, a different time we don't know. But them used to overlook. Cause it is a law. She not supposed to do that. But when them used to overlook, them now overlook no more. Cause the system, the way the thing set up, is to get rid of all minority as much as them can. Yes, I send you a thing. Yes, so you see, when he might bring refugee from South Africa. The last time he was in the White House, the mad about the fact that them that take away land from the white people in South Africa. Him they talk about it. So now here must say, he must sign that thing now for them white people that come here come live. Cause he must say the same thing when I take it from black people, I say no. He must say they might take it from white people over there. It's crazy. So as I say, it's a race thing still. We already know that. No European on the him list of deportation. If you see it. And there's so much European here. So much Russian, Yugoslavian, Ukraine, so much of them there. And him list have none on it. None. The list you see there, where have but I think Jamaica was the third at the bottom of my list or something like so. But a pure South American, West Indian, African country. Yeah, not European country upon it. Not done. And a lot of them there. Lots and lots of them there. Yeah, man, undocumented. Lots and lots of them there. Yeah, man, alright.
So, boss. Well, I'm Uncle MIXUP, boss. Uncle MIXUP, boss, I put this out there for your media. I turn up a thing in a trial as for my mother live. Soon, I'm good enough. And so have a number. But I don't want to send them to have one. Just put it out there. Tell them if they want to contact me. Come on your show first. Dela. Uncle MIXUP boss no good. Come on Uncle MIXUP boss show. And give me a number that said I can't give you talk to you on WhatsApp. Because I need to talk to you. Alright? Uncle, I don't know. It's a crazy money I'm making, Uncle. Uncle, one, some of them want you send this to right now, Uncle. Uncle MIXUP boss. Uncle Marlon, the used to work with the Trialites. When him, me used to deliver work with him. Yeah, Uncle Marlon, me talk. Remember, send me the game number. Me text a paperwork to you. Soon now, we are talking, Uncle Marlon, when we used to work with the Trialites. Boy, Uncle, me make crazy money for him, boy. Boy, Punkin, if you could have just stopped going to carry that baby. You're alright right now. Uncle MIXUP boss, I said the dollars. Jesus. Boy, Uncle MIXUP boss, when you come to Trialites, all who they want to talk to me, they might go talk to me. You see it, Uncle? Real money, man. Can't lose, Uncle. You see that? See that, Uncle? A hard working man. You understand? A hard working man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 of this, Uncle. You know the thing, go. You know, see me send this to Jamaica to rest, you know, you value enough down there. Hey, Punkin. Straighten up the status, here. Because gunshot not take side. You hear my friend? Yes, so my friend just tell Uncle MIXUP boss. You know the thing go. Yeah man, big up Father Trump, see my president man. We are run United States of America, set speed man. One law, one government, you understand? You know, the Uncle MIXUP boss out of respect, you know. You know me, I get to the figure work, so I put it out there, here. Alright, look more, later. Uncle MIXUP boss. You see what I want? So you know my passport stay now. I'm citizen now. See that Uncle MIXUP boss? See there? See it? Why you put it out there? So I know who make comments in a trial I say, this a boy on the street. I ask him Uncle MIXUP boss how them a rampant. I can't be them a rampant. All who say all of my life done in America, I not get no woman for my too. As long as my Uncle MIXUP boss a family. And I have to get a girl. You understand me? So all who wish me bad. All you punkin, you go and ask me, I can't call him my friend. You nobody here. Yeah, because I have a secret in my phone here. I suck Paul penis live and direct. And if I make no comments for Uncle MIXUP boss show, remember I tell you, me personally I go send that the clip to your phone. I go expose you. So make sure when you chat you talk, You thought, I don't know bad me say about me, because right now, me a license fire molar. You understand me? So Uncle Mixer Boss, I don't know more, you put it out there, you know. Because you don't know, no, Uncle. Live money, you know. I make America, you know, because you know me I work down, Uncle. You know what thing? Go. Yeah, man. Pumpkin David, the whole of you know. I want to say, you can't stop me, my friend. Prosperity for Uncle Mix Up Boss and prosperity for me, yeah? Good. I'm want to make a talk about the green card, all of them. We live in the United States of America. Look here, when I go Jamaica, go visit my family as Jamaican, who serve have green card, do not spend 6 months down there on the green card, because when you come back up, you go in a serious trouble with the immigration and them. So only thing you can do, you spend four months down there on the green card and come back up. You understand? Only time you can spend long time down there on the green card unless if you're a citizen. If you're a citizen, you can stay as long as a bar. But when you're a green card holder, you cannot stay long. The question what them ask me still in Uncle Mixer Boss, them ask me who was the first president for the United States of America. The first president for the United States of America was George Washington. And they asked me how many flags in America. Them asked me who was the other president. The other president was Obama. And then after Obama come out a Trump. Trump around 2 times now in America now. So big up all of my fans them in a trial lights. Big up Uncle Glasses. Big up Sprat. Big up Uncle Marlon, big up Trophy, big up everybody. So all I want to make talk. All I want wish my body trials I say yes, me now go find home. Look here, same time I come a trials come visit my mother. All I who never want to talk to me before. Who never glad to talk to me. So Uncle Mixer Boss, I don't know the thing go. I put it out there. Because I don't know me have work if I go tonight. I just go and get a rest in my room, feel a good time. You understand? So in my room stay Uncle Mixer Boss. My TV that. Why you see it? I saw in a room set up, Uncle. You see it? Me alone living here. My father sleep in another room, in another room down so. You understand? So you don't know Uncle Mixer Boss, I put it out there. You come have work at morning if you go. Look more. Bye.
Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. We don't know if it's big up $1 million, man. Oh, God. Yeah, well, big up on yourself, you know. Bless up on yourself, my dear. Soon, my God.